Hey you guys, Silva here and welcome all to my GPT Store Exposed review. Alright, here we are inside of the members area of GPT Store Exposed. This is the newest launch by these amazing vendors, James Renouve and Max Gerstenmaier. This product, guys, is going live today on the 14th of January, right? It is today all day, 10 a.m. New York time, EST is New York time. Okay, and from that time on, you will be able to grab this product via the link below my review, okay, accompanied by a bunch of really awesome bonuses that you will get if you decide to purchase it via the link below my review. I'll talk about them a bit more in detail later on, but I just want to draw your attention to this bonus number one, which Max very kindly allowed me to share with my buyers, and that's Done For You Social, which was launched a few months ago. That's also by Max and James. Okay, I'm gonna show you. This is the product here, and you're getting all of it. Okay, if you want it all, if you want it now, just go for that link below my review. You're gonna land on the sales page. That's the sales page to GPT Store Exposed, okay? And here they pretty much tell you very transparently what this product is all about. As we know, GPT Store launched a few days ago, a few days ago. And by the way, excuse me if I am sounding a little bit like not my usual, top billing. If my voice sounds a bit weak, just know that I am not 100%, but I still thought I would come and shoot a review about this launch because it's an amazing training course, okay, about something that is very fresh, a big moment probably in history, okay, of technology, AI and all of that, like we remember Apple Store or Google Play were launched. So very important moments, and the point here is that you will be very early entering this whole new arena, okay? So now bear in mind you need to be a paid customer of ChatGPT, so you need to have a ChatGPT, is it called Plus? Yeah, account that costs you $20 a month. Only then will you be able to create GPTs, so GPT stores, or you may want to call them GPT apps, okay? And it's very easy to create them. These guys will walk you through the process of how to do it, and not only that, okay, they will also tap into, expose a lot of powerful traffic sources where you can sell your GPTs, or also on how to monetize them, because there are so many ways on monetizing them. Really, like, seriously, as I was chatting with Max, he was like, there's so many options. There's so many ways of monetizing GPTs. It will replace your link tree. So it's like a page that, I'm not sure if you're familiar with what link tree is, just in case you're not. Let me tell you, it's just like one page, and on that page you can have various landing pages, okay, to your social media accounts, to the products you promote, to the products you sell, to your lead magnets, and it's all very nicely put together on one page. I've got one myself. But ChatGPT, GPTs can replace your funnel builder. And these guys were saying, as they all obviously pay to click funnels, I think like $300 a month each, okay, something like that, crazy money. And now with GPTs, we can have our funnels built just like that. All you need to do is train your GPT. They will walk you through the process of how to do it, or where to put the information that you need to feed to your GPT. And bear in mind, you don't need to be an expert on that. You just need to know how to do it, And also on top of this training course, you also get access here to your custom GPT store, okay, called Custom GPT Store Exposed. Let me just show you quickly. So as I said, you just click through this link and that's gonna take you to, obviously you need to sign up to ChatGPT Plus, okay, and as I said, it will cost you roughly, it says 16 something dollars a month, but that's without the VAT, right? So with the VAT, if I am not mistaken, that's $20 a month. Okay, but this is like your trained personal assistant, okay, which will walk you through the whole process of what this training course comes with, plus additional information on how to build, amazing GPTs. Yeah, so let me just show you what's inside of this training course. So first, after the introduction, you will have a few more videos. So maybe I'm not going to open them up. I'm just going to show you what modules you will have. So why you need to start now, because the time is now. You will be entering this field, okay, when there is so little competition. As I said, there are various ways of monetizing GPTs. Plus, it will be like, it hasn't been really decided yet. ChatGPT is obviously owned by OpenAI, so OpenAI hasn't specifically decided, specifically given the information on how much you will be paid when people use your GPTs, okay? Because, once you create your GPT store and add it to GPT Store, once you create your GPT, they should really come up with a different name because it's a bit confusing. Right, so once you create your app and it's without any technical skills, you just give a few prompts to ChatGPT and it will create to ChatGPT Store. It will create that app for you with these instructions. No coding, no nothing. You don't have to be some computer scientist or stuff like that, okay, to be able to create these apps, which is insane, right? And yeah, so YouTube pays you the revenue from being a YouTube partner. Once your channel is monetized, you get paid for people watching your videos, right? If your videos are monetized, obviously, if there are ads running during your videos, at the beginning, after the video, stuff like that. So now with GPTs, you will be also able to get money from GPT Store, right? Your revenue, just from people using your apps. So they will be there, open to the public. Anyone will be able to use them. So if you create a super cool, interesting app, imagine how many people it will have the potential to attract, and how many users, right? And I even have an idea. I mean, I have a splendid product that I have recently started using. It's to do with exercising, actually, right? Blood flow restriction bands, amazing product, actually. I'm not gonna say too much about it because first I need to test them. But I have an idea about, I can be also an affiliate for those bands, and it's really amazing. Once you get the right idea, well, just put it into action. Right. Okay. Anyhow, let me show you what else you will have inside of this training course. So this opens up a new world of opportunities. So, in the first few videos, they'll talk about this new concept, how, what GPTs are. GPTs are like ChatGPT, but with a context to them. So they will be customized. They will be like your AI specialist, right? So trained in a specific niche, so to speak. And yeah, so you need to put a context to each GPT store and feed it the right information. You can give it links, you can give it affiliate links, you can give it links to your own products, to your lead magnets. So there will be endless ways of monetizing them. And it's a very trendy thing, that goes without saying. So people will most likely jump on it. Okay. So let's go ahead. So real-time GPT creation in seconds. Okay, so they walk you through how to actually create that GPT. It's very easy, and how to rank, and how to use Quora actually to bring more eyeballs to your GPTs, how to use Medium. So as we know, Quora is a platform for asking questions. So a very good platform for, generating traffic, questions and answers. So if you answer people's questions in a good way, so like if your answer satisfies their curiosity, they will be grateful. And this is also a splendid way of sharing, okay, your offers, affiliate offers of products, using Quora, but it has to be done in a tactful way without spamming. And these guys, do talk about it, so it has to be done the right way. Now, anyhow, they will also walk you through Medium. So Medium is for blogging, okay? It's a bit like it's a traffic source, of course, and Medium blogs, articles rank really, really well, okay? And then they will also walk you through the power of Facebook for GPT traffic, and it has to be, again, done the proper way, not spamming, but just using more sort of, not just sharing the content as feeds, but more about going into the right groups, okay, where you will find targeted traffic. Okay, and then spread the word on your GPTs, how to, bring more audience to more eyeballs to your GPTs. Have the world literally tell you what GPTs to make. It's a very good video, actually. So yeah, you always want to create what people want, okay? So you would use Google Trends for that, okay? I've already said too much, but there are other ways as well, but that's one of the ways. So what's trending these days, and you want to create, you just take people questions, and with those questions you can create that GPT, okay? And you feed those questions as prompts to your GPT store, and obviously it will come up with probably perfect answers, okay? Because it almost knows it all. It's like the all-knowing oracle, almost. It's just a tool, of course, at the end of the day. Be a GPT affiliate machine, also how to do affiliate marketing, and how to build your list using your GPTs, and name your price by how to rank on Google. So a lot of SEO tips as well. And obviously, as I said, your custom GPT store as an app. Okay, you will get access to it as well. As I said, I did mention that at the beginning. It's like a personal assistant working for you, ready to work for you 24/7. Should you need any assistance with building your GPTs, and then from here you get access to upgrades. There will be a few upgrades here, guys, up to 10 upgrades. So go through them. If there is something that you want, pick them up after you've picked up the front end. This is the link to the sales page. So that's James and Max. Here's a sales video. Watch that video. These guys are super cool. As I was chatting with Max, I said, like, I so enjoy watching the training courses because I learn so much. And then it's always like a blow of fresh air. They're so enthusiastic. They come with a very new sort of, fresh energy each time. Right, and my bonuses, guys. So you get the Done For You Social is a full-blown training course, which was awarded Warrior Plus Deal of the Day a few months ago. So, I mean, I only got access to it because, I happen to have a good relationship with Max, and he always very kindly gives me some splendid bonuses for my buyers. And then I also gave you access to Desktop Vertical Video training course and Ultimate Facebook Traffic Trick. These two methods, amazing traffic sources, guys. No traffic, no money. You can have the best GPT on earth, but if you don't know how to bring eyeballs to them, what good is that? But again, mind you, you will like OpenAI hasn't decided yet on how much you will get, how much revenue you will get from people using your apps, which would be on GPT Store, but there is that way of making profits, extra profits as well, just like getting paid from YouTube ad revenue. But most likely with GPTs you will not have to meet some requirements prior to getting your channel monetized like it is with YouTube. Like you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, achieved within 1 year, which is quite a mission, when you starting a brand new YouTube channel. It really, really is quite an achievement if you get to that point of having your channel monetized. But as I was saying, I very much doubt that there will be some pre-requirements as to having your revenue, so to speak, from your GPT's users, people who would be using your GPT apps, available via GPT Store. Okay, I hope I didn't confuse you. Okay, guys, so voila, that was my GPT Store Exposed review. And if that's the product for you, it is the newest thing in town, guys. So it would be really cool if you could just join it now, create some GPTs, and fly with them all the way to the moon. Okay, I should really go now. As I was saying, I'm not feeling very well, but hey ho. Guys, love you and leave you, and I shall see you very soon. Bye bye, ciao.